channel. Today we want to unbox the black&decker 14.4 volts. The model is pv1420. Let's do it. This is one of the best vacuum cleaner which is washable. This is very important. Make sure that you don't throw it so that you may know how to use it. So that's the unit, and there is a charger also. Remember, this is wireless. It's very easy to use, and also it has got very good suction power. So let's see. Let's remove this one. This is the charger. Very nice and portable. So we are just going to charge it for some minutes. Remember to remove this. It's just like a lock because this is on and off. So this is how it is. It comes this way, so you can open it up to 270 degrees. It can move around, and this is the charger. So I'm just going to show you step by step everything, all the features that is entailed. This is the switch. This is when you want to rotate up to 270 degrees. It comes with a brush also when you want to remove the debris from the fabric. Also a long nozzle that you can use for sofa and some parts which you need to remove the dust. So I'll just put it on power, and then we're going to see the blue light is going to come here, and when it's fully charged, it will show you from the same port. This is the power. This showing that it's charging. Make sure you see this power. Plug it nicely, and the power will come here. Okay, just to show you how it's operating. This is when the dust is full, you can always throw there. And remember, this is washable. Only the motor is not washable. And from this side also you can open. It's very easy. Just need to twist. Then it will twist it like this. It will just open. Remember, this part is all washable. The motor side, you just need to brush it. You don't need to wash it on the motor side. Very important. So this one, there is a small, you just need to twist it and then remove. This one is washable. You can wash it after you remove the debris, and this one also is washable. This part are all washable. So I'm just going to demonstrate because I already put it in charge. It's fully charged. I'll just put these things back one by one. Very important. Then I'll put this one back. It has the switch, like a lock. That's it, it's locked. Ready to go. And as I told you, there's a long nostril here. And I'm just going to demonstrate for you how to use it. For instance, in the sofa, you can use it. Very high power. You can see how the debris are coming inside. All the surfaces. So all these things are here. I just need to show you how to open. You can just open, you can see the dust. So you can just throw them in the dustbin, just like that. Make sure all goes out before you use it for the next use. Again, you can open the other side. Always remember to keep it back on the stand for safety. Then you can open this one as well. Then you can wash. In case there's extra dust, you can just remove. All goes out. Very easy. You can wash it, and that's it. And thank you so much for watching. That's it for today. A portable Black & Decker 14.4 volts. Very nice, portable. You can use it for more than 6 hours. And for charging until it's full, it takes around 2 hours max. Thank you so much. And remember to subscribe for our next channel as we open other new gadgets. Thank you.